Welcome back, LBA. Today, we will show you the most requested template that we will discover today, which is the Kanban-Board Template that will raise your level of management of your own tasks with ease. The template contains several main sections for the Task Management Series experience: a settings section, a database, a Kanban calendar, and a dashboard. The settings section is easier to use. Under Settings, you can change the status section. Add new statuses, for example, Done, You can change team members, add or remove team member. You can change the board section, create new boards, for example, Public to You. You can change priorities or overdue tasks as needed. Choose date formats, card data management, and verification. In Database easily select data validation, add tasks to boards, set statuses, priorities, and responsibilities. Include start and finish dates, work progress, and times. Status priority, and we have columns. Feel free to fill these columns. These will appear in dashboard and reports. Now all tracking data will appear with you automatically in Kanban-Board. You have visualized tasks and filter by board, priority, responsible person, and due dates. Identify overdue tasks. If to get updates, simply update to get automatic updates and print to PDF to necessary. In the section Calendar, you view all tasks on a monthly or yearly basis, filtered by responsibility, priority, and status. In final this video, the last section, is Dashboard. You can check Project Performance and Overall Status and you have Update Dashboard. Forget the last Analyze and you filter any task in propriety.